Welcome back to TravelWise. Today, we're exposing the 9 moments thieves target you at the airport and how to outsmart them. Airports are chaotic, and while you're focused on your flight, thieves are focused on your stuff. We'll walk you through the entire airport journey, revealing the clever tactics thieves use far beyond simple pickpocketing. From security lines to baggage claim, your guard is down more often than you think. But don't worry, this isn't to scare you, but to empower you with simple, actionable strategies. Ready to travel smarter and safer? Let's dive in. The TSA Security Line, a necessary evil of modern travel, is also prime time for thieves. It's a perfect storm of stressed travelers, overflowing bins, and general disarray. This chaotic environment provides the ideal hunting ground for pickpockets and petty criminals looking to make a quick score. You're distracted, often frazzled, removing shoes, wrestling with liquids, and pulling out laptops. It's a juggling act that demands your full attention. All the while, your valuables sit exposed in bins, practically begging to be snatched. Phones, wallets, jewelry, all vulnerable and out of your immediate control. It's a thief's dream come true. Thieves often work in pairs. It's a classic distraction technique. One delays you at the scanner, perhaps feigning confusion or setting off the alarm intentionally. They create a bottleneck, drawing attention and causing frustration. While you're dealing with the scanner, the other grabs your stuff as it comes out, disappearing into the crowd before you even realize what's happened. By the time you notice your belongings are missing, they're long gone, vanished without a trace. The sinking feeling of being robbed adds insult to the already stressful experience of air travel. So what's the solution? Don't send your valuables through the conveyor belt right away. Wait until you're ready to walk through the scanner yourself. Keep your eyes on your items and minimize the time they're out of your sight. If the person ahead seems overly flustered or is taking an unusually long time, be cautious and wait. They might be part of a scam. Use the buddy system. It's always safer to have a partner. One person watches the bins and the items as they go through the scanner, while the other goes through the scanner themselves. Then, switch roles. Keep wallets, phones, and passports secure and close to your body. Keep them zipped inside your jacket or deep inside your bag, in a compartment that's difficult to access quickly. Never leave them loose in a bin, where they're easily accessible to anyone passing by. Instead of emptying your pockets completely, send the whole jacket or bag through the scanner. This makes it significantly harder for someone to snatch individual items. If you're traveling solo, stay extra alert and move quickly, but deliberately. Don't appear flustered or confused. Preparation is absolutely key. The more organized you are, the less vulnerable you become. Take a few moments to organize your items before you even reach the security line. Have your liquids ready, your laptop easily accessible, and your valuables secured. Don't rush just to keep the line moving. It's not worth sacrificing your security for the sake of speed. Remember, your personal security and the safety of your belongings comes first and foremost. A few extra seconds of caution and awareness can save you a world of trouble and prevent a potentially devastating loss. Thieves thrive on chaos and distraction. It's their bread and butter. By being vigilant and prepared, you don't give them the opportunity to take advantage of you. Stay sharp, be aware of your surroundings, and keep your valuables close and secure. Safe travels. Gate changes create chaos, perfect for thieves. When everyone rushes to a new gate, your focus drops and your bags are vulnerable. Thieves use bumps or distractions to slip items from open bags or pockets. Before you stand up, zip every pocket and swing your backpack to your front. Keep zippers facing your body, not the aisle. Don't rush with the crowd. Take a breath, secure your things, and move with purpose. A calm, alert traveler is a hard target. If someone tries to distract you, stay focused on your belongings. Gate changes are stressful, but don't let your guard down. Thieves want easy opportunities. Don't give them one. Secure your stuff, scan your surroundings, and walk confidently. The plane won't leave without you. Stay aware and you'll stay safe. That empty corner in the terminal, with its promise of tranquility, might seem like the perfect escape from the airport chaos. It feels safe, a little bubble of calm amidst the storm of travel. You might think you've found a hidden sanctuary, but that very isolation is what makes it risky. The lack of foot traffic, the absence of watchful eyes, creates an opportunity for those with less than honest intentions. Thieves love quiet spots. Fewer witnesses mean easier targets. They thrive in environments where they can operate unnoticed, blending into the background while they look for their next opportunity. If you nap, lulled into a false sense of security, your luggage is exposed. It becomes an easy grab for anyone passing by. Someone can grab your bag, taking advantage of your vulnerable state. It only takes a second, and walk away before you even notice. By the time you wake up, your belongings could be long gone, leaving you stranded and vulnerable. Instead, sit near busy areas, places where there's a constant flow of people and activity. Information desks, where staff and travelers are constantly interacting. Coffee shops bustling with customers and employees. Or crowded gates where there's always a crowd of people waiting to board. If you must rest, physically secure your bag. Make it a part of you. Use it as a pillow, keeping it close and under your control. Or loop a strap around your arm or chair, creating a physical connection that would alert you to any attempt to move it. Make it hard for anyone to take your stuff without waking you. The more difficult you make it, the less appealing you become as a target. Thieves avoid confrontation. They prefer easy targets and minimal risk. If your bag is attached to you, making a quick getaway difficult, they'll move on to someone who presents a simpler opportunity. Don't trade comfort for security. That extra bit of relaxation isn't worth the risk of losing your valuables. Stay visible. Stay connected to your belongings. Keep them within your reach and your sight, and you'll avoid becoming an easy target. By taking these simple precautions, you significantly reduce your risk. A little discomfort is worth your peace of mind. Knowing your belongings are safe allows you to relax and enjoy your journey. Choose safety over solitude. The company of others is a small price to pay for the security it provides. Protect your stuff, even when you're tired. Vigilance is key, even when exhaustion sets in. Early flights feel smart, but exhaustion makes you vulnerable. Thieves know sleepy travelers are easy marks. Your guard is down, and staff are scarce. Prepare the night before, pack, secure valuables, and plan your routine. At the airport, skip the headphones and stay alert. Keep your phone, wallet, and passport in secure, zipped pockets or a money belt. Don't leave valuables on tables or unattended. Double-check your bags are zipped and close by. Force yourself to be extra vigilant, even if you're tired. Early flights are great. Just pair them with extra caution. Thieves count on your grogginess. Don't give them the chance. Stay sharp and your early start will stay hassle-free. Preparation and awareness are your best defenses. Travel smart even before sunrise. Solo travel is empowering, but it comes with unique risks. Thieves spot solo travelers juggling bags and looking distracted. The biggest challenge? Bathroom breaks. Never leave your luggage unattended. Consider checking your main bag to move freely with just a backpack. Project confidence. Walk with purpose. Keep your head up and know your route. Study the airport map before you go. Only ask for help from official staff at marked desks. Never random strangers. Thieves sometimes pose as helpful locals or fake employees. Keep your belongings in sight and under control at all times. Solo doesn't mean vulnerable. Just be strategic. Confidence and preparation make you a tough target. Stay alert and enjoy the freedom of solo travel. Outsmart thieves by thinking ahead. Don't give papaya. Don't make yourself an easy target. Flashing your phone, wallet, or passport is an open invitation to thieves. Never keep valuables in your back pocket or loose in your hand. Use zippered inner pockets or a travel wallet inside your bag. Fanny packs or sling bags worn across your chest keep essentials secure and visible. Build habits. Always check where your valuables are before leaving any area. Out of sight, out of mind, for both you and thieves. Make yourself a hard target by being discreet and organized. Thieves want easy wins. Don't offer them one. Stay conscious of how you carry your stuff. A little awareness goes a long way. That public USB charging station? It's a trap for both theft and hacking. Thieves can grab your phone while you're distracted or swap it with a dummy. Worse, juice jacking lets hackers steal your data through compromised USB ports. Never use public USB ports. Carry a portable power bank instead. Charge your phone in your bag or pocket, not across the room. If you must use airport power, plug your own adapter into a wall outlet, not a USB port. Protect your device and your data. Don't let low battery make you careless. Stay powered up and secure. Bring your own charger. Simple habits prevent big headaches. Keep your tech and your info safe. Think you're safe from theft on the plane? Think again. In-flight theft is real, especially when you're asleep or distracted. Never put valuables in the overhead bin. Keep them in a bag under the seat in front of you. Treat the overhead as a public space. Board early to secure bin space above your seat, but keep essentials with you. Wear your jacket with wallet, passport, or keep them on your lap. If someone opens your bin mid-flight, pay attention. Your personal item bag is your in-flight safe. Keep it close. Don't let your guard down just because you're airborne. A little vigilance goes a long way. Land with everything you brought on board. Baggage claim can often feel like a chaotic free-for-all. After a long flight, everyone's eager to grab their belongings and head home or start their vacation. Unfortunately, this hectic environment is prime time for theft. The sheer volume of people and luggage creates the perfect cover for opportunistic thieves. It's a vulnerable point in your journey where you need to be extra vigilant. Thieves often grab bags in the confusion, hoping to blend in with the legitimate travelers. They might target bags that look expensive or are easily accessible. They can quickly disappear into the crowd before you even realize your bag is missing. This is why quick action and preventative measures are so important. To minimize your risk, get to the carousel quickly as soon as you deplane. The sooner you arrive, the better your chances of spotting your bag and preventing someone else from taking it. Resist the urge to stop for coffee or use the bathroom right away. Those few minutes could be all a thief needs to snatch your luggage. Prioritize getting to the baggage claim area first. Position yourself at the front of the carousel, where you have a clear view of the arriving bags. This allows you to see your luggage as soon as it appears. Be ready to grab your bag as soon as it appears on the carousel. Don't hesitate, as someone else might mistake it for theirs, or, worse, intentionally take it. One of the best ways to protect your luggage is to make it unique and easily identifiable. Opt for bright colors that stand out from the sea of black and gray suitcases. Add ribbons, stickers, or distinctive straps to your luggage. These visual cues make it easier for you to spot your bag and deter potential thieves. The more distinctive your luggage is, the less likely someone else will take it unnoticed. A unique bag is simply a less appealing target. For added security and peace of mind, use a luggage tracker like an AirTag or Tile. It's a small investment that can provide significant peace of mind. These devices allow you to track your bag in real time using your smartphone. You'll know exactly where your luggage is, even if it gets misplaced or taken. If your tracker indicates that your bag has gone missing, alert airport security immediately. They can help you locate your luggage and investigate any potential theft. Remember, don't assume your bag is safe just because you've landed. Baggage claim is a critical point where vigilance is key. Speed in getting to the carousel, high visibility of your luggage, and the use of tracking tech are your best defenses against baggage theft. Don't let your trip end on a sour note with lost or stolen luggage. Be proactive and stay alert at the baggage claim. Your vigilance can make all the difference. Finish your journey with everything you started with, ensuring a smooth and stress-free return. That's it! These are the 9 moments thieves strike, but now you know how to stay ahead. It's about being prepared, not paranoid. Build smart habits. Use a fanny pack, carry a power bank, and make your luggage stand out. Want more tips? Watch our next video for hotel and street safety hacks. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel wisdom. Stay safe, travel smart, and see you in the next video.